Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is the last video of the Beautiful Soup series in which is going on. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to parse tables as well as the XML in by using Beautiful Soup. So yeah. This is the Times of India RSS feed which we are going to use for parsing XML, and for tables we are going to use this code HTML tables. These are the two links. I will share them in the description. No, I will share this thing in the description as well if you want. So let's just go through the okay. So for that we have imported the request module and BeautifulSoup module as well. If you don't know how to install request module, you can check out the previous video in which I have mentioned it. Okay, so I will create a separate video for request module also to know how to explain about request module. So first we have get the data from the URL and convert it into text, and get the text from it and store in the HTML data variable. In the HTML data variable we have converted it to a soup to parse it, and we have taken the table out of it. So from here we are going to get the item in the tables finder table row, and just we are going to see how print and just check it out, because these are the rows. So from this we have to find out. So first of all we are going to get the headers from out of it. So headers is equals to, okay, just i.text. So what I'm doing, let's just do one thing. We're going to get all the headers from it. So for the item teach, just print out the headers. Okay, so this is the header. This is only giving us the header, and so we will do same for data as well. So let's just do one thing, id and data. Okay, so these are iterating. So how to manage to only, if you want only the text out of it, so you can do dice. So here we are indicating the text, okay, but it is iterating two times. Whenever if we get date error or it is iterating only. So let's just do one thing, just do, okay, so let's just tab it out and just if the let's just check out the length of header. 0 and same for data as well. Now it is looking more better than the other. If you want to convert that into a text format, just do nothing, just do one thing, and let's just we'll add a separator for it as well. So let's just add a triple space and then a triple quote, and just add the join function. So join will convert the list into a string, and adding a separator in it. If you don't want a separator, you can remove it and simply get empty string. Simply keep an empty string. That will do work as well. So let's just do it for okay. So here it is. So it is looking nice and pretty. So let's just work. Let's just create another file which is a file, and so this is it for the table section. Now we are going to parse the sec. We can say it as a XML file. So what we have to do, we will copy the base section and just parse. I just create a simple section. So actually I'm going to get an error here, which I'm interested to show you by this error. Oh, sorry. Yeah. But we have to change it to XML format. Yeah. So XML dot just we want the image. Okay, so let's just get an image out of the soup and just run it. Yeah. So we got the image. Okay, so we want to prettify it. Prettify and just so it will prettify our code. Yeah, it's looking nice. So what do we want from here? We just need a text out of it. We don't want all the tags out. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Since prettify doesn't have a okay, just do it. Yeah, it works. Okay, so what we do want it now, so let us do one thing. So this is the link. Yeah. So we can do same operations with this thing also. So we just wait and just create a simple sample program. Okay. So what we'll do now. So we will find all the image and get the title and the URL of it. Okay. Okay. No, there is only few images here. Or else just go to or let's just search something more with more data. So let's just do most recent stories. Oh, this is pretty cool. So let's just do this work in this. Okay. So let's just show images to find all image and just find out print images dot prettify. Oh, sorry. Dot prettify everything. It's in okay. So here what we want is okay, so here is also one image only. Okay, that's the very thing. So what we are going to do here, we are changing our plan. So we will get the title and the we will collect all the items from here. Okay, and we will show the item description as well as the links. Okay, so let's just get started. So let's just do item. Let's just okay for item 3 items. Let's just print out the hash. We don't need slash ns. So we are going to see the show the title. Okay, so let's just give it a title. As well as the item dot title text. So we have title, we will show the link as well as description. So this is the description and this is the link, and we just show the description, and here is the so just run it. Oh, we're getting the data but it's not looking that. Yeah, it's looking pretty, no, it's looking a little bit better, but same as here. What does this thing? Oh, the description have all the anchor tags and that's okay. That's it for this tutorial. So you know how to parse the XML as well as the tables in the using BeautifulSoup in Python. So that's it for this video, and please do like, comment, and share. Thank you.